In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign up for Alibaba. Whether you're looking to buy products in bulk or sell your items to a global audience, creating an account on Alibaba is a straightforward process. Let's walk through the steps together to ensure a seamless sign-up experience. The first thing you'll want to do is head over to the Alibaba website. You can do this by opening your web browser and typing in alibaba.com, or by opening the Alibaba app if you have it installed on your mobile device. Once you're on the home page, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. It's a bustling marketplace filled with a myriad of products and resources. Now you'll need to look for the Create Account option, which is usually found at the top right corner of the screen. Go ahead and click on that to begin the registration process. This will take you to a new page where you'll be asked to enter your email address. Make sure to use an email that you check frequently, as this will be the primary method Alibaba uses to communicate with you. After entering your email, click on the Continue button to proceed. Next, Alibaba may ask you whether you want to create a buyer or a supplier account. A buyer account is perfect for those looking to purchase goods, while a supplier account is for those planning to sell products. Select the option that best suits your needs. With that choice made, you'll now be guided to a form where you'll need to provide additional information. This includes your name, company details, and any other relevant information required by Alibaba. It's important to fill out this form accurately to avoid any issues down the line. If you selected a buyer's account, make sure to enter your company name when prompted. This is particularly important for business transactions and helps establish credibility on the platform. Before moving on, you'll need to agree to Alibaba's terms and conditions. Be sure to read through these thoroughly, or at least understand the key points, as they outline your rights and responsibilities as a user of the platform. Once you're comfortable, go ahead and tick the checkbox to accept. Click on Create Account to finalize the registration. You'll then receive a verification code sent to the email address you provided earlier. Check your inbox for this email, and if you don't see it right away, remember to check your spam folder as well. Once you have the code, enter it on the verification page on Alibaba's site. After successfully confirming your email, you're all set. You've now created an account and can explore everything Alibaba has to offer. Whether you're sourcing products or showcasing your own, the world of international trade is now at your fingertips. Thanks for watching, and happy trading on Alibaba.